abused by Siyacela.
What? Isencane.
Hey, I watched that thing, man. That thing is wild, bro.
I haven't, but I'm...
Yo, that thing is wild.
It's raw, yeah?
Yo.
Tell us more about that thing.
My wife was watching the whole day. I'm like, baby, what the fuck are you watching? And then I sat down and then I got caught and sucked into it.
So,
Jeez, it's wild, bro. Bro, the stuff that nigga says and does. Yeah.
You are shocked.
He gives me a run for my money, bro. That's how real he is, dog. Hey, that nigga.
For real? Is he wild one?
Even I'm like, God, I would never say that.
Only on the podcast. That podcast thing, not in real life. Come on. Hey, for real.
Sure, bro. And I didn't know it's been like 7 seasons.
Yeah.
You're that.
Yeah.
That's what people are complaining.
I think 8 is yeah.
Yeah, I think people are complaining with the latest episode, which I haven't seen, where he says he's going to beat up the girl.
And he kills a shambok.
I didn't see it.
But I know there's...
I know the previous
But
season.
didn't kill her.
When I kind of like I tapped out when they had a car accident and he said on his diary he actually wished he had just locked them in the car, the wife and the baby, so that they burned.
How?
I was like no way, this is just too much.